Welcome back to Money Academy. If you're on the hunt for ways to make money online while enjoying the comforts of home, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm thrilled to share 3 remote work-from-home jobs that can help you earn $100 a day online in 2025, even if you have no prior experience. Plus, I'll show you how to earn $303.45 a day using Google AI Studio for free. So grab your laptop, get cozy, and let's dive into these exciting opportunities. Job 1. Freelance content writer. Do you have a flair for writing? Freelance content writing is one of the most accessible online jobs, and it can provide you with a solid income. What you'll do? As a freelance writer, you'll craft articles, blog posts, newsletters, and social media content for various clients across different niches. This job offers flexibility. Work when you want and choose the projects that excite you. How to get started? Create profiles on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Showcase your writing skills by adding samples of your work or starting a blog to demonstrate your expertise and style. Job 2. Virtual assistant. Are you organized and enjoy helping others? Becoming a virtual assistant (VA) may be the perfect fit for you. What you'll do? As a VA, you'll provide administrative support to clients, which can include managing emails, scheduling appointments, making phone calls, or handling social media accounts. The tasks can vary widely, so you can choose what fits your skill set and interests. How to get started? Register on sites like Belay, Time, etc., or Fancy Hands. You can also market your services on social media or through networking channels. How to make $100 a day? Virtual assistants can typically charge $20 to $30 per hour. If you work for 4 to 5 hours daily at this rate, you'll meet or exceed your goal without feeling overwhelmed. And remember, the more efficiently you work, the more clients you can handle. Job 3. Online tutor. Have knowledge in a particular subject or skill. Online tutoring is a fantastic way to share your expertise while earning money from home. What you'll do? As an online tutor, you can teach subjects like math, science, languages, or even skills like coding, music, or art, whatever you're passionate about. How to get started? Sign up on platforms such as Chegg Tutors, Tutor.com, or even VIP Kid for teaching English to kids in different countries. Create a profile that highlights your qualifications, teaching style, and subjects offered. Bonus. Earn $303.45 a day using Google AI Studio for free. Now let's talk about how you can boost your income even further with Google AI Studio. This platform can significantly enhance your productivity and creativity, allowing you to make more money in less time. What is Google AI Studio? Google AI Studio is a powerful tool that allows you to quickly generate text, analyze trends, and automate various tasks using artificial intelligence. Whether you're a writer, marketer, or entrepreneur, Google AI Studio can help you achieve your goals. Ways to earn with Google AI Studio. Freelance content creation. Harness the capabilities of Google AI Studio to produce high-quality articles at lightning speed. If you charge around $150 per article, writing just 2 articles a day could easily help you surpass your daily goal of $303.45. Affiliate marketing. Create engaging content that promotes products and services using Google AI Studio. By integrating affiliate links into your articles or social media posts, you can earn commissions on every sale. For instance, if you manage to drive traffic to your affiliate links and make even a few sales, you could quickly accumulate profits that push you past that $303.45 target. Ebook writing. Use Google AI Studio to assist in drafting an engaging ebook on a topic you know well or that's trending. Once you've completed the ebook, you can publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Smashwords. Monetization potential. If you sell your ebook for $9.99, selling just 30 copies a day can take your earnings to a whopping $299.70. Pair this with your freelance work, and you'll easily surpass your daily goal. Final tips for success. To maximize your success in these remote jobs and using Google AI Studio, keep these tips in mind. Consistency is key. Whatever path you choose, be consistent with your efforts. Dedicate time each day to your tasks, and soon enough, those daily efforts will add up. Network and collaborate. Make connections with others in your field. Networking can lead to referrals and collaborations that enhance your income potentials. Leverage social media. Use social media platforms to market your services. Whether you're a writer, VA, or tutor, sharing your expertise and success stories can attract more clients. Keep learning. Stay curious and enthusiastic about furthering your skills. Tools like Google AI Studio are constantly evolving, so keeping up with updates can help you stay ahead in your endeavors. And there you have it, 3 remote work-from-home jobs that can get you started on your journey to earning $100 a day, plus a bonus method to earn $303.45 a day using Google AI Studio for free. With these tools and strategies, you're well on your way to success, even as a beginner. Which job are you most excited to pursue? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more incredible money-making tips from Money Academy.